Okay, friends, so we got our art kits. We're so excited to get started making some drawings with these nice new pencils. Wait a sec. Do you see what I'm seeing? This is not sharpened. So, we gotta reach inside of our bag and get our sharpener and sharpen our pencils. See, this is our pencil sharpener. It has two openings. It has the narrow one and the wide one. And it has this part that's pointy. The pencil shavings are gonna fall out of it. Now let's take a closer look at the whole situation. So, this pencil sharpener is a very simple one. It's pretty easy to use once you know how. And I have a tray underneath. That's to catch all of the shavings. The way you do it is you twist around and around and around and around. It's going in a big spiral, round and round and round, and sharpening your pencil. And I like to do a little spiral. Then I check and make sure, is it even? Is it slanted at all? And adjust my strategy. I'm trying to keep it spinning. I'm paying attention to where the blade is, because this blade is peeling things off. It's very sharp. And I'm looking and seeing, is there an uneven side to my pencil? If there is, if there's a higher side or something that's uneven, I try to shave that part of the wood off first. And now you don't want to go so pointy that it breaks, right? And you'll learn, it's okay, we all break our pencils once in a while. But towards the end, I just do one circle around at a time and I check. And okay,